What's it? This scope is really strong. I feel like I'm gonna... Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you're having an amazing day. Today I wanted to sit down and create like a simple and easy quick spring makeup look since spring's already here. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And without further ado, let's jump to the video. I've been enjoying this moisturizer a lot. It is very moist, and at the same time it's not oily, if that makes sense. It's kind of like a primer but a moisturizer at the same time. And as you can probably see, my hair is straight, and I know I have my hair curly the majority of the time, and I did transition from like straight hair to curly hair, but I don't like to put myself into categories. So even though I have curly hair, I also like to straighten my hair from time to time just to look a little bit different and to, you know, to see how my hair is doing, how long it's growing. So yes, I'm still doing my curly hair, but at the same time I like to switch out. I just thought I would tell you because I know some people are like, well, if you're curly, you can't straighten your hair. No, I don't recommend that you do that, but I personally feel that I don't like to just be stuck on one thing. Less enough to have curly hair, and I can have my hair straight at the same time. I'm going to take care of my hair enough that when I straighten it, it looks healthy, and then I can go back to my curly hair. For foundation, I still will be using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow foundation. I was actually going to try a Wild foundation, but to be completely honest, I did not like how the foundation smells. Since I'm having like really bad skin, I don't want to apply a foundation that will make my skin worse. So that might be for another video. Who knows if I'm ever going to try it, because it smells super strong, and I don't know, it smells like pure paint. So if you have tried, let me know if it's good or not. I'm afraid to put it on my face because I'm breaking out already and I don't want to risk it. So, and I'm going out tonight, so I don't want to like double risk of my makeup not coming out nice. I'm so excited to try this sponge from Sonia Cash Up. It's so big, as you can see, like it's humongous. It's literally double the size of the Real Technique. I'm going to be blending that with my new beauty sponge, which I didn't even want to get dirty because it looks so pretty. But we had to do what we had to do. I actually like how it feels. I feel that it's applying the product pretty good. I apply my foundation. I'm not sure if I'm going to apply another layer. Maybe I am, because I'm breaking out and I just want my skin to look a little bit better than this. So I'm going to go ahead and apply another layer. The worst things about having a dog is when you have a dog hair in your makeup, but you feel it, but you can't find it. That's exactly how I'm feeling right now. Like, I feel a dog hair around here, but I can't find it. And I don't want to like ruin my makeup or anything. It was my favorite concealer back in the days, but I've stopped using it because I'm not sure why. But I stopped using it, and I absolutely love this concealer. It's from Rimmel. It is in shade 230. Head again with my beauty sponge, and I'm going to blend this out. You know the drill. You just want to make sure that everything is blended out nicely and very natural. Slightly contour my face, and I will be using that Wet n Wild Duo Contour Stick, and I'm going to slightly contour my face, nothing crazy, because again, we want to make something very natural for the spring. So I'm also going to be trying a new brush. This is from e.l.f, and this is the contouring brush. Spray some rose water into the brush, and now let's blend away, my peeps. So I'm trying to upload videos every Friday, so I want to like start being consistent and actually have like a set schedule on when I'm going to record, when I'm going to edit, and when I'm going to post. So I think Friday will be a good day since it's right next to the weekend and people have more time for themselves. But if you have like another day that you think will be best for me to post, let me know. To apply some of the concealer, in my nose as I normally would, but because I didn't want nothing too crazy, I literally want like a slight contour. I feel that the contour is a little bit too dark for my skin tone at the moment. What I did, I applied some of that concealer, and now we're just going to blend it out so it can kind of cool down the tone of the brown, and it doesn't look so like brown and yellow all at the same time. To set this down, I am going to be using the e.l.f. contour palette. I also purchased the Maybelline Fit Me powder. I'm not sure if this is the right shade for me, but let's see and let's give it a try. Hopefully it is, because I already bought it. So it looks a little bit dark, to be quite honest. So let's see. Not too dark, because if it is, I'm screwed. How it's feeling, it feels very light. I don't feel like I have a lot of makeup on my face or anything like that. It actually feels like this powder here. So it's kind of like the same thing, to be quite honest. I absolutely love this powder so much. It's my favorite one. So I am happy that I actually like this one as well. So it's not going to be a waste of money. My thoughts on this powder, I actually like it. It feels very nice on the skin and very light. So no complaints so far. I'm going to go back to this palette and I'm going to contour my face a little bit more. Now let's fill our eyebrows, and I'm going to be using the Maybelline Brow Drama Sculpturing Brow Mascara. I'm going to brush my eyebrows because they look crazy right now. I actually went and got my eyebrows waxed for the first time in like 4 years. I was threading my eyebrows for, I would say, almost 4 years. At first I liked how they were coming out, but then after a while, like, my eyebrows were not growing the same way, and the lady just was rushing me all the time. Like, she didn't really take her time doing my eyebrows, and it was really annoying because I was not satisfied, but then I didn't want to risk of going somewhere else where they will mess up my. I finally found a new place, and I actually like how my eyebrows came out. However, because I was throwing my eyebrows for so long, my eyebrows were not growing as much. So like, there was a side longer than the other, and it was so annoying. Tips of how I can make them grow and kind of change the shape of them, because when you thread your eyebrows, your hair doesn't grow as much as before. So let's see how long it takes for my eyebrows to get back to normal and how they used to be. Hopefully it doesn't take that long, but I don't know. I don't even know what I was thinking, because I was not really satisfied with the lady, but I just kept going to her. I know, crazy. So now I'm going to be using the Benefit K-Brow, and I'm going to be using like a detail brush for this. Now we're done with our eyebrows. I think that's what takes the longest, to be honest. And by the way, my dogs are sleeping here. So if you hear like weird sounds, that's my dog sleeping. They love to be here while I film. I'm not sure if it's because of the light or what it is, but they love to be here. Today is to actually have like a very natural spring makeup look, but I don't know what exactly I'm gonna do in my eyes. So let's just wing it, as I always do. What's new? Okay, so you're open personal. Let's go ahead and prime our eyes, and I will be using the Milani eye primer. Eyes today, I will be using the ColourPop All I See Is Magic, and to set my eye primer, I will be using this shade right here. We have set up our primer. I'm going to go ahead and apply this shade in the outer corners of my eyes. And my dog bit this, of course. Go ahead and wet the brush with rose water. Applied this shade. You get more consistency on the brush, and you get more color payoff of the pigmentation. So that's why you're going to see a huge difference when you apply the eyeshadow with your brush wet or dry. So as you can see, it's the same shade, but this one I applied with the wet brush, and this one I applied it with the dry brush, so you can see the difference, how much you can see the color on this one than on this one. Make sure that everything is nicely blended. I'm gonna go ahead with my Morphe N504, and we're just going to blend as a windshield wipe motion, so it's back and forth, back and forth, and back and forth, as you can see. I was thinking of doing an eyeliner, but because I want to make this a very quick and easy spring makeup look, I'm not. However, I'm going to use the NYX Infinity Eyeshadow Stick. Apply this white pencil under my waterline, and that is going to give the illusion of bigger eyes, and it's going to make me look more awake. Who doesn't want that, right? Apply this shade, which is Big Spoon, on my bottom lash line. To curl my lashes because I don't have long lashes, okay? I wasn't blessed with that. So I'm going to curl my lashes. For my lashes today, I will be using the L'Oreal Voluminous Butterfly Mascara, and this is waterproof, so it's perfect for the spring and summertime. You can jump in the pool and all that stuff, even though I usually don't wear makeup when I go to the pool or the beach. I barely wear makeup, to be honest. Like, I love makeup, but I never have time. Some chapstick because I feel like my lips are dying, and they look like they're dying too. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my blush. This is from Milani, and this is in shade Tea Rose. I will be using the Wet n Wild highlight powder, and this is in shade, what shade is this? Precious Petals. So pretty. It looks super pretty. It looks like this. I'm going to use it, so let's see how it works. So pretty. I actually do like it. Looks so pretty. It looks really nice. For lips, I will be using the ColourPop ILUVSARAHII, and this is in shade 951, and I'm going to outline my lips with this. To top that off, I'm going to go ahead with my NYX, and this is in shade Stockholm. I don't know if I'm saying that right. But it's this shade right here. To list all the products down below so you can just check it out. And this is like a pink peachy color. I really like it. I think it goes really well with this lip pencil and this lipstick. It looks really nice in my opinion. Let me know what you think. Finish up the look, I'm gonna go ahead and spray some rose water. Okay guys, so we are done. I hope you enjoyed today's makeup look. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed, and I will see you on my next video. Mwah!